If you're seeing the Epic Games error occurred message, don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to walk you through a simple fix step by step. This problem can happen when the launcher cache gets corrupted, the app needs administrator permissions, or the installation needs a quick repair. The good news is, you can usually fix it in just a few minutes without reinstalling everything. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick tech fixes like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, close the Epic Games launcher completely. Make sure it is not just minimized on your taskbar. Look in the system tray at the bottom right of your screen, find the Epic Games icon, right-click it, and fully exit the launcher. This is important because if the app is still running, Windows may not let you delete the files we need to clear. Next, press the Windows key and R on your keyboard to open the run box. In the field, type %local AppData%, then press enter. This will open the local AppData folder on your PC, where Epic Games stores temporary launcher files. Once the folder opens, find the Epic Games launcher folder and open it. Then go into the saved folder. Inside that folder, look for the Webcache folder. This cache folder can often cause launcher errors when it becomes outdated or corrupted. Delete the Webcache folder completely. After that, go back to your desktop or your start menu and find the Epic Games Launcher shortcut. Right-click it and choose Run as administrator. If a prompt appears, click OK or Yes to allow it. Running the launcher with admin privileges can fix permission issues that may be causing the error message. Now we're going to repair the launcher installation. Press Windows key and R again, and this time type appwiz.cpl, then press Enter. This opens the Programs and Features window where you can manage installed applications. Find Epic Games Launcher in the list, right-click it, and choose Repair. Let Windows finish the repair process. This can restore missing or damaged launcher files without requiring a full reinstall. Once the repair is complete, restart the launcher and sign in again. At this point, the error should be gone for most users. If everything opens normally, you're all set. You can now launch Epic Games and continue using it as usual. If the issue still shows up, double-check that the Webcache folder was deleted properly and that you launch out the app as administrator. Those two steps solve a lot of common Epic Games launcher problems. Hopefully this guide helped you fix the Epic Games error occurred message quickly and easily. If it did, please give this video a like, subscribe for more helpful tutorials, and leave a comment if you want me to cover more Epic Games or Windows fixes next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.